guys, this is Balot Del Rosario from www.callmebalot.com and your certified professional aromatherapist here at Lanolin Aromatherapy. So today I will be sharing with you our essential oil highlight for the month. So today I will be sharing with you our essential oil highlight for the month. I'm sorry that this was a bit delayed. I was going through my kids' yoga teacher training since the 1st of March. And I was very busy, so sorry about that. But without further ado, I'll share to you our oil for this month. Let me just share my screen. So we have Elemi. So if you will see my here, I'm showing you my favorite Elemi brand, which is from CDL Naturals or Casa de Lorenzo. So Elemi is endemic to the Philippines, and it's only practical and supportive to our local distillers to get the Elemi from them. So the Latin name of the more common Elemi that you would find in the market would be Canarium luzonicum, but CDL Naturals would have two variants, Canarium luzonicum and Canarium ovatum. So it comes from the resin of the plant, and it's a top to middle note. It has a bit of a spicy, resinous aroma, very similar to frankincense. And a lot of people would uh, call Elemi as the poor man's frankincense. So it's steam distilled, and like frankincense, the shelf life is only 1 to 2 years. And as I said, it's mostly sourced from the Philippines or France. So, what are the therapeutic benefits or actions of Elemi? Elemi promotes calm and positive energy. It's a good oil for meditation, so I would usually um, um, substitute oils, different oils for meditation. I'm not sure if you've watched. I think I've made a YouTube video as well for that of the oils I use for meditation, like sage, palo santo, frankincense, myrrh, sandalwood, whole wood. So Elemi is one of those oils that I would use during my soul practice. It's also helpful for anyone who is stressed and fatigue. It's also very good for skincare and has had some known effects for respiratory support. So it decongests. So if you suffer from congestion, this is a very good oil for that, and it helps control excess mucus in your respiratory system. So LME is a really nice oil in your arsenal. So, as usual, I'm sharing with you this recipe, which is a calming facial wash, which you can use with CDL Naturals liquid castle soap or whatever castle soap that you would have. This is at 1% dilution, so equivalent to 10 drops in 50 mils of CDL Naturals liquid castle soap. So it's 3 drops elemi, 2 drops geranium, and 5 drops lavender. I would usually use foaming pump so that it comes out really nice and foamy, and it's a very practical practical blend that will last you for quite a while because you only need a little bit, especially if you're using a foaming pump. So just a little bit of sharing. So this is the Elemi Luzonicum from CDL Naturals. If in terms of aroma, I would not really equate it to frankincense carteri or Boswellia carteri, but a little much sharper than carteri and something very similar to plant therapy's frankincense fariana, which is a little bit sharp and spicy. So that is how I would describe the Elemi Luzonicum. So there, I hope that you like this video. Do follow me on my YouTube channel at youtube.com/callmebalot. If you want to use the essential oil calculator, you can go directly to my website at www.callmebalot.com. And should you have any questions, just do pop in my Instagram. That's instagram.com/callmebalot, as I'm more active there. And or you can just also visit my Facebook education support group at facebook.com/groups/Lana Lane, so that everyone can benefit from your questions about aromatherapy as well. So I hope you're having a great month, and I'll pop in again next week for the next essential oil highlight because I promised to. So if there's any oil that you would like me to um, put a spotlight on, just do let me know. And yeah, I hope you have a very great week ahead. Bye, guys.